Hi friends, my name is Ipsha and welcome back to my channel Fun and Learn with Ipsha. Today I brought this exciting Barbie doll for you which has many things to play. So let's start and let's unbox this. Wow, what a beautiful doll with purple dress and blonde shiny hair. They have also given a bracelet with 4 clips, 1 extended hair, 3 rubber bands, pink, purple, and white, and silver shiny dress with 2 pairs of sandals, purple and white color. It also includes blue rainbow comb. Let's remove these accessories and the doll. Wow, what a long blonde hair. I love it a lot. And see this rainbow extended hair with blue comb. This doll looks so cute after wearing this cute pink hairband. Look at these cute little rubber bands, these heels, this dress which has cute little kitties, and this silver shiny dress. See this cute little hair clips. It has 2 white clips, yellow meow clip and blue love clip. The box has given 3 hairstyles to make. I'll definitely try it someday. Now I'm going to try something different with her hair. I'm going to make a braid and clips on it with extended hair. I love combing her smooth and silky hair. Now I'm adding clips on the braid to decorate it beautifully. Now I'm adding the extended hair to her braid. She is looking so attractive after wearing this hairband. The hairstyle is looking beautiful. I love it a lot. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel.